Today I'm going to show you how to make a polymer clay ring dish. Now this one has inlays that are also made with polymer clay, and it just came out so beautifully that I wanted to share it with you. And the only other ingredient that I'm using besides the polymer clay is a little bit of gold acrylic paint. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a subscribe if you want to see more, and if you do not want to miss anything, hit that little bell and you will get notifications every time I post. I do post twice a week. I'm not going to tell you the days because I may be switching my schedule. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or any comments about the video or about the process. I would love to help you, and I'll see you soon.